Dear students, in this video we will do current affairs on coronavirus disease. Hope you will like it. If really you will like, then you will just click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel up to now, please subscribe. Which state has launched COVID-19 test service? By using bus service, COVID-19 testing is done by the Maharashtra government to check the suspected cases of COVID-19. Who has started Ayush Sanjeevani application? Ayush Sanjeevani application has started by Dr. Harshvardhan Singh. Which organization has banned to use spit on ball for shining? Means बॉल शाइन करने के लिए थूक से उसको जो चमकाते हैं बॉलर्स, उसके ऊपर बैन करना. दैट इज़ बैंड बाय आईसीसी. आईसीसी की फुल फॉर्म है इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल. आफ्टर COVID-19, which sports tournament has played? After the spread of the COVID-19, football league, that is Bundesliga football league tournament has played after the spread of COVID-19. Recently, who has announced public health school? To develop and situate public health school, Delhi University has announced to do this. Who represented India in 73rd session of WHO? In WHO session, it was 73rd session. Dr. Harshvardhan Singh has represented India. What is mean of Operation Shield, or we can say what is full form of shield? Here shield, if we will consider as means sealing of area, H means home quarantine, I means isolation of infected person, E means essential service ensured, L means local sanitization, and D means door-to-door survey. In this way, shield has its own meaning with the alphabets, and it is completely fulfilling the function of COVID-19 disease protection. What is mean of 5T plan? 5T means first testing, second tracing, then treatment, after that work, and then tracking. This 5T plan has given by the Delhi government to test, trace, treatment, and with the help of teamwork of the health servants, we will track it, that is COVID-19 disease, and we will prevent our nation. In which state AIIA has started Ayur Raksha program? Ayur Raksha program has started in Delhi. Due to COVID-19 lockdown, which TV serial has mostly seen by people in worldwide? Ramayana serial has been seen most in the worldwide. After this, recently which state has started its own COVID-19 test laboratory? This test laboratory has started in Arunachal Pradesh to prevent the COVID-19 disease. To honor health worker by slogan "We will win" movement has started by whom? We will win movement has started by FIFA. Next question: which country has demand to check the origin of coronavirus, from where this coronavirus has started? This demand is given by the Australia. Next, first state which has provided free health insurance policy. Free health insurance policy has given by Maharashtra government. After this, recently, who has declared due to lockdown in India 10 lakh crore or 7,000 rupees per head loss will be there? This is declared by CRISIL. This is the organization. After this, our country India recently has selected for functioning body in which organization? This time our India got this honor in the WHO. Next, recently which union territory in India has declared corona free? The union territory Ladakh has declared corona free. After this, recently, National Test Abhyas mobile app has launched by National Test Abhyas mobile app has launched by HR Ministry. Recently, which country has announced to give 2 billion American dollar to WHO? That 2 billion American dollar is given by China, that is announced by only China to give the WHO World Health Organization.